Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by validating system and saving your current layout. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personalization Start. Make sure you're on 25H2 because some toggles differ. Turn on Account Sync if you want settings mirrored across devices, then enable or disable the basic Start toggles, recently added, most used, suggested. These are the first actionable steps that let you see immediate changes as you proceed to customize pins and layout. Next, you'll reshape how Start looks and works. Drag apps to pin or unpin them, and create folders by dragging one tile onto another. This consolidates space and speeds access. Once you arrange pins, use Personalization Start toggles to hide or show recommendations and recent items so Start surfaces what matters. For advanced control, use Search to remove clutter and taskbar settings to align icons. These mid-process steps to finish, apply changes and restart Explorer or sign out to ensure the Start layout persists. Make sure to sync if you want the same setup elsewhere. If Start misbehaves, try App's advanced options on specific apps and hit Reset. Once done, check again. As a strong troubleshooting step, use PowerShell Repair to re-register Start packages if tiles fail to load. If that still fails, restore your backup or system restore point to revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.